Then he said, "Are you in your room?" Then I said, "Yes." Then nag-CR ako, ganyan. Tapos biglang may nag-doorbell. May nag-doorbell na lang. Then he was here. And girl, I was shocked. Di pa ako naliligo. Panay makeup ako kasi nalagyan ako ng makeup sa buhok na sobrang lagkit. Pati sa eyes. Tapos wala talaga akong balak maligo kasi I was so tired na. Baka mapasma. Eh, bigla siyang dumating. So I was like, shocked. But it's so sweet. And then he got me food. Because like, this is my house. Then like, maybe like 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers, there's my favorite chicken. He walked from my favorite chicken to go to my house. He walked. That boy, he just walked. So, dumating siya sa house, kawawa. Super pawis na pawis. Tapos may dala siyang chicken, tsaka may jacket. And it's so sweet. Because he wanted me to be happy. And I'm not materialistic or anything, but I mean, it's really sweet. Especially the walking. So sweet. Expecting it at all. Kasi you were busy and all. And it was so sweet kasi it was a very grand dinner. And it was honestly my first time to experience something like that. Yung talagang may pa-rose petals, yung mga ganun. And I thought it was really, really sweet. And kasabwat din yung parents.
Every time I train myself because of you. If you wanna be in my way cause of me. The stars were shining to me away. Whisper.
Okay, iniwan ko muna sila, Alexa. I'll buy your flowers. Hindi ko po maintindihan sinasabi nila pero pwede na to.
Cute. He's so cute. I caught him buying flowers for me. I'll pretend I'm surprised. Thank you. It's so cute.
Happy vacation!
Paano kanya pinapakilig?
Paano ba? In the small things, with the small things, like, meron pong time, paakit po ako ng gym, so nakatalikod ako.
Oh my God, yeah, this is...
Tapos sabi ko, bakit may humahabol sa akin? Takot ako, sabi ko, wala, may lalaking humahabol sa akin. Tapos ginalaw pa ako, ginanon pa ako, so ready na ako. Asa lang pala, tapos may dala siyang flowers. Tapos sobrang nagulat ako, parang ang tagal nag-process sa isip ko, ba't nandito ko? Ganun, kasi sabi mo wala ka dito. So yung mga ganun po.
So may slow motion moment dito, yung mga dahan-dahan.
Hindi po siya slow eh. Pasuntok na ako eh. Pag ganun na talaga ako sa kanya, buti na lang, hindi eh. No?
buti na lang.
Siya pala yun.